Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's talk about winter nutrition plan to keep your weight under control and to keep you fit. Now in my previous video, I explained about different winter superfoods and how they help in keeping us warm, active and energetic. So a lot of you guys asked me on Facebook, Instagram about how to include these foods in a plan, especially to avoid weight gain during winter. So today I am going to tell you simple, easy and balanced winter nutrition plan along with few other tips for weight loss, or at least to keep your weight under control. Now here I want to make it very clear that this meal plan is not going to guarantee 7 kg weight loss in 7 days or 10 kg weight loss in 15 to 30 days. So if you're looking for such kind of fat diets, then this video is not for you. Shortcuts don't work, or restrictive diets showing quick results are not sustainable in the long run. So on my channel, you will not find junk science or any kind of fads, but I like to present evidence-based, undisputed nutrition science to get in shape and to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So if you're interested, then keep watching this video. Before I start, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my new videos. So let's first understand, why do we gain weight during winter season? Because we might blame sweets, holiday parties for those extra kgs, but there are actually scientific reasons why we tend to gain weight during winter season. So if you'll understand the reasons behind it, then weight loss will become much more easier. So the first reason is our body produces more of sleep hormone melatonin. So what happens is, during winter, shorter days and less sunlight can affect our hormones, especially melatonin, which controls sleep wake up cycle. So higher melatonin level makes us sleepy, lazy and also increases our appetite. As a result, we eat more and move less, and this leads to weight gain. Reason number 2 is our metabolism increases. Now this sounds great, but it doesn't support our weight loss goal, because during winters, in order to keep our body temperature normal and to keep us warm, our body burns more calories and also makes us hungrier. But if we feed our bodies sensibly, then we can actually use this aspect to lose weight. And this I'm going to explain you in a while in my meal plan, so keep watching this video. Reason number 3, staying indoors. During winters, we prefer staying indoors more instead of going outside. And when we are inside more, we get bored. And when we get bored, we eat. And we don't need rocket science to understand that this contributes to weight gain. And majority of us must have experienced such kind of weight gain during COVID lockdown. Reason number 4, seasonal affective disorder. Change in season can mess up with the mental health of some people, and they can develop a depression called SAD, or seasonal affective disorder. This disorder is due to shorter days and less sunlight, and like any other depression, this can also lead to weight gain. Reason number 5, less water intake. Since we don't sweat or are not thirsty during winter, our water intake reduces, which makes us lethargic, fatigued and dehydrated. And this in turn can cause frequent infection, headache and dry cough. So set an alarm or keep a water bottle next to you, or do whatever you can to keep yourself hydrated. And reason number 6 is less or no exercise. The problem is, when it's cold outside, most of us use every excuse in the book to not step outside. I understand it's hard to motivate to go to gym or for a walk when it's cold and dark, but trust me, exercising in cold temperature offers many benefits. And this point I really want to stress before I get into the meal plan, because whatever diet you follow, you need to exercise for weight loss, especially during winter when calorie consumption is more compared to summer season. So go out for cycling, walking or running, as little sunshine can boost your positivity and also makes you feel happier. Research also shows that regular exercise strengthens your immune system, which helps in fighting cold and flu. And workout naturally heats up your body, which has a calming and soothing effect on the body. So this cold season, make sure you get out and get some physical activity. And if you cannot go out, then at least do some exercises at home. A little sweat never hurt anyone. So I hope I have given you enough reasons as to why we gain weight during winter. Now let's dive into the meal plan. Okay, so let's start the day with a glass of warm water. You can also have warm lemon water because lemon water is good for digestion, cleanses your system and boosts your immunity. And if you want to go a step ahead, to this lemon water, you can add a spoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider not only helps in weight loss but can do wonders for overall health. After having your water, try to consume a wholesome breakfast within 30 to 40 minutes. But if there is a long gap, then you can consume a small morning snack, which can be few pieces of soaked nuts and dry fruits. You can have almonds, walnuts, or figs, raisins, or apricots. Try to have 1 or 2 options from this. I would also suggest you to do 45 minutes to an hour of workout or exercise in the morning before breakfast. Post your workout, consume a good breakfast which can include moong or oats chila, brown rice or millets idli with sambar, ragi or dal dosa with chutney, oatmeal porridge or whole wheat or multigrain roti or stuffed paratha, vegetable poha or vegetable upma, vegetable dalia or millets. And along with the above options, include 2 to 3 side dishes like eggs, curd, milk, nuts and seeds or paneer. Then in mid-morning snack, you can have one small fruit like one orange or guava or musambi or any seasonal winter fruit or a fruit salad. If you feel like drinking anything warm in between, then you can consume tulsi ginger tea or ginger lemon tea. But make sure to give a gap of at least 45 minutes to an hour between a meal and tea. Then comes your lunch. You can include rice or roti or millets along with dal or sambar or chana, rajma, chole or non-vegetarian item or paneer, along with 1 to 2 servings of vegetables. Make sure to include lots of greens in your veggies. You can also include moong dal khichdi with vegetables or mixed veg rice with curd or raita. Then by 3 to 4 p.m. you can again have a cup of ginger cinnamon tea or methi tea or even green tea. Then for evening snack, you can have boiled chana with lemon or roasted peanuts with makhana or nuts and dry fruits laddu with jaggery or rajgira laddu or peanut til chikki or laddu or roasted chana or chana flakes with vegetables. Don't forget to check my video Winter Superfoods, wherein I have explained why you need to include all these foods. Then comes your dinner. Try to finish your dinner at least 2 hours before your bedtime. And your dinner should be light, like vegetable soup or sauteed or stir-fry vegetables. You can add some tofu, paneer, beans or sprouts, chicken to your soup or stir-fries. You can even have khichdi or dalia with vegetables. Try to keep your carb intake little less in the night, which means keep your grain consumption low in the night. And post dinner, I generally don't suggest to consume anything for weight loss, but for general fitness and overall health, you can consume turmeric milk with salt or dry ginger and some spices. But if you don't want milk, then you can consume honey with a pinch of turmeric, black pepper and salt. These ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties which protect you from cold and cough. So overall, it's an easy and balanced meal plan. But there are few points that you need to keep in mind. Number 1, avoid overeating. Just because something is healthy doesn't mean that you can overindulge. Number 2, avoid things like zero carb or starvation to lose weight. Number 3, ensure to have all the food groups in your diet. Number 4, try to avoid processed and packaged foods. Number 5, keep yourself hydrated. You can even consume ajwain or jeera water in between meals for good digestion. Number 6, remember diet is one part. Without regular exercise, it's difficult to make progress. And number 7, try to maintain a healthy sleep cycle and control your stress, as both of these can actually screw up your weight loss goals. So put these tips and plan into action to stay on track this winter, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't for evidence-based no BS nutrition science. And if you like this video, then show some love, hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon.